Hey guys, Irene here. I have a very exciting video for you guys today. I have had this idea in my head for so long and I finally made it a reality, so I really hope that you guys are gonna love this video as much as I loved filming it. I started getting interested in photography when I was about 9 and 10. Me and my sister would pretend that I'm the photographer and she's the model. I would put her in some interesting outfits and we would come up with some fun ideas and do our little photo shoots. I would always get in trouble with my mom because I would waste so much expensive film. I actually still have the images that we took then. I just love looking back at them and remembering how much fun we had doing these. I feel like I was truly free creatively and had so many ideas back then. As kids, we were just so imaginative and nothing is holding us back. It's all just fun and simple. So I wanted to bring that back and see what can a kid bring to a photo shoot. I think we can all learn something from younger selves and just bring back the fun into the photo shoots. I'm here with Ayla and with George Dutch on YouTube. He's actually dad of Ayla.
I made this thing. Weird, eh?
So she actually knows how to use her camera and she's really into photography, right? That's so awesome. How old are you?
I'm 10.
You're 10. And did you want to tell us your Instagram?
My Instagram is @RudnyK.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it on the screen. You guys go ahead and follow her on Instagram. So today we're gonna do a photo shoot with Taylor. And Ayla's gonna do all of the styling. She's gonna pick up all of the creative ideas, the backdrops, the hair, and she's gonna take the pictures today. Are you excited?
I'm really excited.
And I'm the photography assistant, and Irene is
Yes.
photography
Yes.
assistant.
Today
Yes.
we're just the photography assistants. We're not gonna give her any direction, nothing really. She's gonna be the boss of this photo shoot. So yeah, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video. So I let Ayla go crazy in my craft room and choose whatever outfit and accessories she would like the model to wear for the photo shoot.
Blue flowers with blue flowers.
Yeah. There's even more too underneath. And we can even put a wig on her. we have that white one right there. We have this brown one, or we have the little black one over there.
Awesome. I'm ready for this.
Yeah, that's a pretty one.
There's sequins on it.
It's glittery.
There's so many new pictures.
I know. Yeah, that color fits.
And they're almost the same color.
Oh, that's pretty.
Pretty tiara, but it doesn't go.
Oh, look, this is a new one I got. Looks like this. No?
Not quite.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's also this one. It's with the same flowers, but it's a headband.
Let me think.
And she can try them on too and see which one you like better.
Try it on. I like the one with the earbud. I picked this one because I really like this top and it goes really nice with this. And the flowers will look really nice. And then this one because I really like the color of blue and it will match the outfit. And this is like the same color of blue. And we're going to try the poofiness.
Nice.
And then this one, it's a really nice one. And so we're going to put poofy hair with a really nice crown.
Cool. I'm excited to see what they look like. So we found some butterflies.
Yeah, the headband.
And why did you want to use the butterflies?
Because the dress makes her look like she could be in a forest holding some butter.
And you had the idea with the one with the wire?
The wire can connect to another butterfly and she could hold the butterfly without the wire, so then it would look like one of them.
Oh my god, I love that idea. I love that. was Ayla setting up the props. She did everything herself with putting the flowers on the table and draping the fabric over it. I just showed her what I had and everything else was her idea.
Do you think that this one would go with the theme?
Yeah.
Because like it has...
Yeah, it's like more Victorian,
Yeah.
not fairy tale.
This one
Uh-huh.
is more like fairy tale-ish. Like it has the design.
Yeah.
And like the wood.
Mm-hmm.
We could try this.
Yeah, we can always just try. If you don't like it, we just won't use it.
Cool. Remember to zoom in before you do focus. Zoom in. Press it again. There you go. Now grab your focus and wait for it to be sharp. See how it's blurry? You can see. You have better eyes than me, probably.
Oh, so pretty!
You're walking through the mud in your bare feet, but you don't want to get your dress dirty.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cute. I love how you're giving that direction and the storyline.
Straight in front of the camera and look like you're blowing a kiss.
The mastermind. What are the ideas?
Oh, my shoes.
Like put it around.
Ooh, yes.
Is her hair to make her, because it's kind of the same color as her hair, but like so we don't have to take the long time making her hair all curled and poofy.
Mm-hmm.
And also
You like it, yeah.
it's like quicker.
And just the
out.
out. Yeah.
And for like the next look, you could just like take it off instead of having to re-straighten
True.
it. And this will make it look more like
She got your bra.
The dog just ran off with a bra.
the jewelry to make it look like more like a Mad Hatter scene.
Ah,
Like the jewelry is so big, so it looks
cool.
like kind of like a devil sorceress.
Oh.
Looking at watching people like, through the glass ball. Hold this like right over like you're about to drop it in your pot. And hold this open like you're about to, like you're reading. So like hold it like this, like you're reading the instructions on how to make your potion.
Alright, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and Ayla, you did so good. I can't believe it. I can't believe all of the like creative ideas that she had. Like I was shook. I'm shook.
I'm all shook up.
We're all shook. And thank you, Taylor, for being our model today. I'm gonna leave everyone's link in the description down below so you can guys check everyone out and follow. Go ahead and check out George Dutch and his YouTube channel as well. Again, Ayla's his daughter. So maybe he's gonna make some more videos with Ayla in the future, right?
Yeah, I don't know. She's kind of a bossy lady.
But she's a better boss.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, she's kind of a better photographer.
What?
Alright, so go ahead, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!